Lakers better win today, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, Lakers are winning today, no doubt. But we're gonna head to my cousin's house. It's my little cousin's birthday, so I'll see you guys when I get there.
Simon says? How do you play that?
I know, how do you play it?
What? Alright.
Carmen.
Simon says run to the restroom. Stop. Ah, you lost already.
Oh, okay.
Alright, ready? Simon says put your hands up. Put them down. Oh, no. Simon says touch that, what's it called? The workout pole. Everybody. Simon says come back to this spot. Stop.
Got it.
Oh, let's go. How do you feel? 4 years old. Camera. Oh.
For that. No, not good. No, he doesn't.
Alright, back in the Honda, man. Birthday party was lit, it was fun. Now I gotta go back to sleep. I gotta work in the morning, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Peace. What's up, BYLB gang? I'm back home. Came back from work, got a really big nap. You see my hair, I look a little tired right now, but I wanted to show you guys something. I've been on YouTube for a bit. It's not my first time being on YouTube or making videos. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look. Alright, this is actually my first ever channel I created. I have another one, but I deleted all my videos on that one. I can't show you guys that one. I kind of regret it because I had some good videos on there, but these are some random videos that I just posted when I was young, I guess. That's when I was 13. I ran the marathon. I was the fastest one out of my class, I think. I have this one. This is... Gosh. Hey, that's me. Hey, y'all don't remember the Running Man challenge? Come on now. I've been on YouTube like that. Hey. Good ass memories, man. Good ass memories. What's up, BYLB Vlogs? I don't know where I left off on the other clip, but I'm in the green Honda, man, and I'm at Panda Express. As y'all can see, I just picked up some grub. Watching a YouTube video. Just chilling, bro, by myself. I ain't got no one else in the car. But whatever I'm gonna do next, I'll see you guys there. Guys, I literally, bro, I can't even put a smile on my face right now. I got this new editing software on my laptop. I used my old software. I opened that up to try to transfer the old videos to the new software, but when I did that, I opened it up and all the clips were gone. I had so many, bro, and they're all split and had different audio levels, and it's difficult, bro, because I can't just get all of that shit back and replace each video one by one. That just takes time, bro. I've edited those vlogs really good too, so it sucks, but I have to come back to it and just redo the whole video, edit everything again. It just bums me out. Better put my sweater on, man. Hold on. Yes, sir. Alright, we are currently around the Playa Vista area. Nice area, cool spot. I don't know where we at, but it's a cool area. Y'all can see. Got Danny over there. That's so normal. Always smoking on every video. No way. I didn't know this was here. I'm picking up some Postmates food and I see the Keller Williams Realty. I'm gonna be working for them one day. I mean working with them. Alright, I'm posted up I'm waiting for the food to get ready, but just want to talk to you guys a little bit. It feels so weird how now it's just I'm doing what I want to do and everybody else are just students probably studying right now for something for the next class. I don't know, man.
did I make the right decision? No, I'm playing. I know what I want to do, but it gets lonely because not the people are doing what I'm doing. Everybody's just going to school. I'm just doing me. Hey, it's crazy seeing all these rich people around me, man. It inspires me. Look, we got quarters, halves, and whole things. That's your what she ran through the whole gang. Said she want a real nigga, I'm the whole thing. I just from the back of my gold chain. We got quarters, halves. Stay positive, man. Have that mindset and you'll be rich in no time, for real. Yeah, with the beans and a gold chain. Look at this fool, man. Hey, nigga, turn around, nigga. Oh, come on, man, turn around, turn around. Everybody wanna look at you, man. No mames. Let's see. Did I get him? BYOB vlogs, man. I have a backstory of this food. I'll tell you guys right now. I'm with Danny. Alright, so we were doing Postmates, right? And as we were driving, we went to go drop off a delivery. And I parked the car and I left inside the building to go deliver the food to the customer's door. And when I came back, got in the car, put in the keys, and started it. First time, didn't work. I'm like, alright, usually it works on the second time. Second time, didn't work. Tried it a third time. Third time, still didn't work. I'm like, damn. I kept trying it multiple times, and that shit was just starting up, so I popped the hood open. I checked what was wrong. I tried to tap the what's it called, the starter, to try to turn it on again, because that's what the last mechanic did. I tried that, it still wasn't working, so I called over a friend. He said he can't come. Called over another friend, but he was too far. So I called up my dad. My dad came like a superhero. Fucking, we got the jumper cables and just connected the batteries to transfer power. After like 30 minutes, I don't know how long was it, man, but we got home finally. And so we ended up not delivering the other customers' orders, so we stayed with the food. Look at Danny, he's all happy now.
Shit gas, bro.
Bro, that shit is so good. BYOB gang, I look horrible right now. I don't know why. I woke up with a runny nose and some allergies. It's not what you think it is, man. It's nothing like that. It's just my nose is stuffed. But I'm gonna hop in a shower and then we'll see if I link with the homies right after.
But you like said, what's it called? Fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say.
The handicap. Shit. Damn, I missed it.
You missed it, bro.
Mariana.
O es salsa, no sé.
BBS on my ear, neck, and my wrist. Shorty wanna fuck with me cause I'm fucking her friend. And I'm really
Gracias. Update on life, man. Currently, I've just been riding solo dolo these past couple days, probably like 2 weeks already. But I have a very special video coming soon for you guys, man. It involves a vehicle, a really expensive vehicle, and I can't wait to film that video, man. But I hope you guys are having a good day, man. After this, let's cut to the next part. Automobile.
Bravo been a stop, bring a stop, fucking off with a thoughts, bring a bop in. Times many little bitch, bring the guap in.
Alright, what's up, BYOB gang? I just came back from work. It is currently 6:51 p.m. and the game is on, man. Game 1, Denver versus Lakers, man. I got Lakers on it for real. Bro, if Lakers lose, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You got Danny in the cut too. Let's go.
Regular fit.
Hey man, y'all gonna be in my vlog, man. Say what's up to my vlogs. Hey. Hey, don't tell me you're here for the Travis Scott burger. You're here for the Travis Scott burger? Oh, that's right, that's right. Alright, man, back home. Y'all see what I got, man. This ain't no Travis Scott meal. I ain't about the hype, man. Chicken nuggets for sure. Lakers won, it's a good day. This man with his peaks.